Adding a credit card on WorldRemit is a straightforward process that allows you to send money quickly and securely. Follow these steps to complete the process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the WorldRemit website or open the app and log in using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once logged in, go to the payment methods section. This is usually found in your account settings or wallet section, where you can manage your payment options. Step 3. Select Add Credit Card. In the payment methods section, look for an option that says Add Credit Card or similar. Click on this option to begin entering your card details. Step 4. Enter your credit card information. Fill in the required fields with your credit card information, including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save your changes. After entering your credit card details, review the information for accuracy and then click Save or Add Card to finalize the process. You should receive a confirmation that your card has been successfully added. Now you can use your credit card for transactions on WorldRemit. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section or customer support for assistance.